I stopped at the Travel Plaza, New York Travel Plaza, and I'm heading towards Niagara Falls, which is about 6 miles from the Travel Plaza. You know, there you get a lot of information about the falls and the surround. To park at the Niagara Falls, it's $10, and you are at the Niagara Falls State Park. Niagara Falls isn't just a waterfall. It's a force of nature that has been growing for thousands of years. 3 massive falls, the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the Ionic Horseshoe Falls, send millions of gallons of water crushing down every minute, carving the border between US and Canada. Okay, this is the Niagara Falls State Park. The river that flows through Niagara Falls is the Niagara River, a powerful 35-mile waterway that carries water from Lake Erie onto Lake Ontario. The Niagara River forms the border between New York, USA, and Ontario, Canada. And about halfway along its course, it drops dramatically to create the 3 waterfalls known collectively as Niagara Falls. This is the American Falls, and across from the buildings that you see is Canada. This is the Canadian side of basically like the Made of Mist in America. They wear the blue ponchos, and the Canadian side is where Americans. The cost to go down to take the Made of the Mist in order to see the waterfalls from below is about 30 or 30 and not change. So you know they give you these ponchos, and you wear them because the mist is so strong that you get wet. And even with these ponchos, the wind and the mist, you still get wet.
Mga Że nie mamy miejsca.
Just like any attraction that you go to, there's always a gift shop, and Made of the Mist is no different. They have sweatshirts, mugs, t-shirts, jackets, various other things. The crowd. That is the US border for cars, and this is the pedestrian crossing on to Canada. That's the US border. Whoa. To cross to Canada from Niagara Falls. That's the US side. And this is the Russian side, the Canadian side, I'm sorry.